Hello and welcome. Now take a look at the gold market. As all of you guys noticed that gold market yesterday hits our target and almost completely hit the 1727 level. As yesterday we are suggesting that unless the market is holding below the 1756 level, our next target is at the 1727 level. Now market is completely hit that level. Unless the market is holding below the 1756 level, it have the ability to be a ranging behavior, but market have possibilities maybe today test the 1744 level and go again toward the 1727, or you can say next support is 1720 level. So these are the possibilities overall. In bigger picture, if you zoom out the chart, then the situation is that market first come outside from this trend channel, and from 1802 it will continuously pulling down by the moving average 50 exponential in the selling direction. First it go toward the 1756 level and then give toward the 1727. These levels are on the latest wave of the Fibonacci retracement. So according to these levels held a resistance and support level according to Fibonacci retracement and respect accurately. If you look at that, yesterday a rebound from the 1727 level, that is almost accurately make a rebound from that level, and scalpers can enjoy a good amount of profit from this reversal, who are waiting for buying entry when the gold market tests the 1727 level. So hopefully you guys understand the gold market situation. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for our channel. Hello, welcome. Yesterday the crude oil market is going in the bearish direction, as we are suggesting that unless the market is holding below that level, the trend of the market is bearish and it will test again 87 level. Market test the 87 level and make a pull up. Now H4 candle clearly close above the exponential moving average 50, and also the market is holding above the 89.50 level. So unless the market is holding above the 89.50 level and trading above this EMA 50, I suggest that now the trend is bullish, because yesterday our target is almost complete, that crude oil complete the bearish move. Overall market is trading outside this H4 channel, and yesterday we gave the intraday based trend entry, because market is new contract of market is opening, so that at new contract the market whenever go in the bullish direction make some pullback to adjust for new prices. So now according to the technical behavior of the crude oil market, the situation is that unless the market is holding above the 89.50 level and moving above, holding above this EMA 50 exponential, our next target is at 94.60 level. It may be it will touch today or tomorrow. So hopefully you guys understand. Thanks for watching.